2016 Nissan Maxima cabin filter. It'll be right behind, under the glove box in the very back. You'll have a cover like this, so it'll look like that, way up in there. It'll have like a little tab, but you should see it. So what you'll do, you'll push up and bring it all the way out, all the way back, and then it should come out. And then the cabin filters right here. I pulled it out a little bit before I started recording. And then it should come out. And then just put it back the same way, and you're good to go.